What's up, guys? I'm Matt Berkowitz here at Fisher US headquarters. Going to tell you a little bit about the Ranger 122 today. So this is the fattest ski that Fisher makes, 122 underfoot, just as the name tells you. Couple key technologies to this ski. We've got a tapered tip and tail as well as a rocker tip and tail for this ski. Still does have camber underfoot, but it is reduced. So you're really gonna get that surfy feeling in the soft snow and in the powder, skiing big lines. But at the same time, it's got a fairly short radius for a ski this fat. You're looking at a 20-meter radius in this ski. So you get it up high on edge angle, on choppy snow or even soft groom snow. This thing's really gonna bite and it's really gonna hold well. Part of that's due to the sandwich sidewall construction. Full beach core here, so again, really durable ski. It's really gonna grip and rip when you get it up high on edge angle. So really, lot of confidence in this ski. All of our Freeride World Tour athletes are on this ski. Big mountain rider Casey Dean, this is his ski of choice as well. Nice poppy yellow base here. More information on the Ranger 122 or any of the Ranger series of skis, go to fishersports.com.